Can I use this one? Just scraping out the excess. I'm just scraping up the excess, guys. I used to do my own videos before.
Alright, how's it mixing?
It's mixing pretty good. He's spraying. We're making our own slime.
Yes. Got to stir, stir, and stir.
Gotta stir, we gotta be
Stir, gotta stir. We gotta stir, stir, stir.
taking all of the eggs. Okay. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter in here.
Okay, which one? Got red, green, and silver. You got gold.
Okay, I know what. I'm gonna use some red first. You put them down.
Okay.
There. I'm gonna use some red, guys.
That's enough?
Okay. Thank you for telling me. Okay, I think I can do this one by myself.
Yep. That's enough.
Okay.
Okay. That's enough.
I'm making mine so pretty. Now we need the gold. Gold. Ow.
That's enough, Serenity. You need to stir.
Yeah, we need to stir this little thing. It's too late. It's pretty. It's still pretty. It looks, I can see some.
Yep, gotta keep stirring.
Now it's actually coming together.
Yep.
What? It's actually coming together. I need to get it all. Okay, it's coming together.
Yes, gotta stir some more. I'm gonna start coming out the bowl.
That means it's ready.
Yes.
That means it's coming off the bowl.
Look at that paint bubble.
What paint bubble? Where?
You got to mix it up.
Yeah, it's still a little bit sticky. Guys, this is really coming together.
It is pretty.
Right, kids?
It's pretty. What you want to say to the kids?
Guys, I hope you ask your mom to buy you all this stuff so you can make your own slime and then you can show it to me.
Awesome.
And don't forget to watch my pages too.
Awesome.
I hope you put 100 likes. Now it's really coming together. Oh, look, it's really coming together. Okay, I think it's ready. It's coming off the bowl. Stick it. Come on, son. Okay, I think it's out. Ah! It's stuck to the tag.
No, it's okay.
Gigi, I think I made the best slime ever.
You did.
It's still weird. Oh, I broke a piece. I love playing with slime with Gigi. I love making slime. I get a little hungry after these slime videos. I want to make another slime for... I want to make a slime for Gma.
Okay.
This one's for me.
This one for you?
Oh, this is actually getting better.
It is, see? Look at there.
My slime looks really, really
It's fluffy.
I told you I make the best slime ever.
I see.
And listen to the sound.
I hear. It's fluffy.
I can make a slime bubble. Ah! You think I can make a slime bubble?
Did you? Let's see.
Let's see.
Almost.
Let me try again. Guys, watch this. My hand paint.
Oh, look at that. It's cool.
What?
Your hand.
What? It melts. Hey guys, want to see if I can make a slime bubble? And oh look, a little bubble. I popped it. I made one. You saw that?
I saw. Smells good.
Let me smell. Ooh, it smells like bubblegum, girl. I just broke a piece. Do you want to see how it looks on the camera? And then back. Okay, and then see if I can pick this up. What? Guys, look, it's dripping. I'm practicing on my bubbles.
Oh, you got a bubble.
You saw that, kids?
You got a bubble. You have to do another one.
Watch this. That's my little fist. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can make another. No.
Nope.
Look, some bubbles.
Some bubbles.
Oh, tiny bubbles.
Tiny bubbles.
You hear that? They're popping.
They are.
I did. I'm glad I added these because they make noise. Instead of pink and instead of yellow, I like pink because it's so tiny. They're just so tiny, and you won't know where they're at. They're so teeny, you can't even see them, but we can because we got light. And guys, can you see the glitter? Can you see the golden glitter?
We can see the glitter. There's the glitter.
Some glitter and the green. Oh, guys, can you see my satisfying noise ever? You hear that?
I hear it.
You hear that?
Yes.
Do you hear that, kids? Hi, my name's Serenity. What's your guys' name? Oh. Nothing on my hands.
Nothing on your hands?
No, let's see. Nothing. Nothing. Just a little tiny phone. Feels good.
Feels good.
Yeah. This is so much fun. Okay. Smoothie. Hey, we're gonna make. Today we made slime. Sorry about moving the table. Now let's see if I can pick all of this up. And Gigi, you count to 1. No, to count. You know how to count
If I
backwards?
can count the glitters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Too many.
I went through my fingernails. It feels great. Do you want to try it? Look. You feel that? You feel that? It goes to your fingernails. It tickles. It tickles. I feel your hands. Okay, I'm going to see if I can do my bubbles now. I'm going to just show you the satisfying noises.
I hear the satisfying noises. Satisfying noises, Tori.
I didn't.
No bubble. There's a bubble.
I'm never going to pop you. I'm never going to pop you. I'm never going.
It's going away.
Ah, it's gone. Ready? The bubble. Ah, you saw that, kid? Did you see that, kids? Oh my gosh. Is that my hand?
It's not mine.
Seamus. This is amazing.
It's amazing. Oh. Let's see.
I did not know. Kids, did you see that?
They saw it.
Watch this. Watch this. Wow.
Whoa. Technique, Naru.
She's got it.
She's got it. Whoa.
I got the skills. I'm gonna poke you. Poke.
Huh? You smell what?
It's a slime.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is the it's the scent. We added bubble gum and a little bit of apple. You hear that satisfying noise?
Such a satisfying.
And I can make this. Now I'm gonna make a bigger bubble. Okay.
Cool.
Let's move some things out the way. Oh, guys!
Yeah.
It smells good. Oh, it smells so good.
We're losing our little tiny bubbles.
We're breaking it.
Got a lot of fallout here.
Sir. You see, guys, it's getting done. Look at this. Like we're baking. Okay, I'm mixing the dough up, kids. I'm mixing the slime dough. I just grabbed the bubble. This. What does that look like, kids?
Slime.
No. What does it look like now?
Slime.
Now, what does it look like?
A flower. Bubble gum.
No, it's a dress.
Oh, it's a dress.
Okay, guys, I hope you like this video.
Tell them bye.
Bye.